Measurement Solutions Limited, we know them very well in the UK. They offer a number of metrology and inspection products. However, I'm here in Derby with Dave Harper. He's the service manager here. David, could you tell me a little bit more about what you do here?
Right, this facility that we're in at the moment is actually new offices. We've been in the industry for a long time, as a lot of people know, but we're actually now expanding quite rapidly, and this is now dedicated to service operations. So all of the CMM calibrations, retrofits, and CMM-related activities are controlled from this site here.
Okay, we're next to a Core 3 machine here, but can you work on any CMM?
Of course we can. Of course, the actual verification, which is UKAS, can be carried out on any type of CMM. So yeah, it pretty much opens up everything. We can work on any machine.
And what sort of size can you work on?
Well, that is a good point actually, and well made. We can actually verify machines up to 2.743 metres. We are the only company in the country that can actually verify a machine up to that sort of length.
Well, you know, obviously if I'm a subcontractor or an OEM and I've got a 30-year-old CMM, could you bring it up to speed to 21st century technology?
I mean, that basically is where the retrofit comes in. These things are made out of bits of granite, as you can see, so they're stable. The mechanics on them tend to be good. So what you need to do to actually bring it up to date is change the electronics, control and software, and we offer all of that service.
So some of the cost savings to customers is huge, I presume.
It saves a customer buying a new machine. You can actually have a machine that's already instated and use it. Operators like to use it, and then just bring everything else up to date and increase your productivity. But it also gives you the advantage that you can then utilise different probe systems. So there's touch probe, there's contact probe, and then there's also laser scanning probes.
So the service side doesn't offer just the CMMs, you're also looking at ARMs, I presume, as well?
Yes, we have UKAS accreditation to actually performance verify ARM type CMMs as well, which are non-Cartesian CMMs. We're one of 3 companies in the country that can actually offer that service.
And how many manufacturers can you work with?
Well, all of them, basically. There's got to be, I would say, probably 6 to 8 manufacturers of arms active in this country, and any of those arms we can actually verify and put a UKAS traceable certificate on.
And obviously, I presume you could be on the premises, you know, utilising the job at the same time.
That is the service. That is the services that we actually turn around very, very quickly. Along with actually generating a UKAS traceable certificate, we will actually go out on site and have a turnaround in a day, which is an advantage for a lot of companies where they need to use the machine daily.
So a massive cost saving for the customer.
It's a cost saving, but it's more than that. It's a time saving. It's a case of we'll do it in a day, whereas previously they had to lose it for 3 weeks.
Well, David, very nice to meet you. Thanks very much for showing us around the service department here. Great to see you.
And you. Thank you very much.